Find or read reviews that people are talking about ZCCHESOng Cordless Car Vacuum Cleaner, 6000 PA Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Why you choose ZCCHESOng Cordless Car Vacuum Cleaner. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Small and delicate, but powerful. Ultralight wireless, only 0.72 pounds, 330 grams, using the latest compression vacuum technology and a strong motor, 6000 PA strong power, mode which can be easily absorb dust, pet hair, sand, gravel, food debris and other particles, makes cleaning a breeze. Washable filter and low noise. Every dust with just a simple rinse with water and ensuring the strong suction, which is washable and more durable, no need to replace it often, advanced noise reduction technology. The noise generated by the mini vacuum is less than 70 decibels. Multifunctional accessories. Equipped with two types of accessories and blowpipe, the brush head can clean the impurities in the grooves, and the long tube can increase the area that can be cleaned. Soft bristles won't damage the leather. Combine these accessories and you can reach all the nooks and crannies of your car. 130 ml dust cup can hold a lot of garbage. Fast charging. Use the Type-C fast charging cable to charge at any time. Equipped with a simple and convenient USB charging cable, the portable vacuum cleaner for home can work for up to 25 minutes. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.